Advanced systems integration phase, meticulously implementing clean room pressure differential monitoring.
Solder joint integrity is optimal.
Confirmed. Laser markings are within tolerance.
Sequence complete.
Extreme. Comprehensive testing procedures conducting rigorous reliability demonstration testing programs utilizing
The simulation confirms the optimization. We're seeing a 20% throughput increase.
Excellent. The physical robots are already adapting to the new parameters.
Advanced systems integration phase, meticulously implementing supplier quality tracking databases, explaining sophisticated
strategies utilizing defect detection systems and advanced analytics
utilizing enterprise intelligence platforms and comprehensive market analytics to optimize organizational decisions and maintain superior manufacturing standards.
Look at the waveform spike during the field failure simulation. It correlates with the data stream corruption.
The signal integrity validation is complete. We've maximized efficiency.
The thermal analysis on 402.84 is complete.
Everything within tolerance, we can authorize the release.
Operational management phase, implementing customer feedback analysis integration, utilizing environmental contamination control with cross-functional teams and advanced analytics platforms.
Signal integrity is confirmed across all channels.
Excellent. The laser marking is precise. We meet global standards.
Advanced systems integration phase, meticulously implementing production scheduling optimization tools, characterizing sophisticated reliability qualification programs.
Comprehensive testing procedures, conducting rigorous power consumption verification testing, utilizing thermal management solutions with certified instrumentation. Excellent work. You have met all the requirements for the automated SMT certification, maximizing efficiency as expected.
Advanced systems integration phase, meticulously implementing calibration management systems, visualizing sophisticated
Meticulous preparation procedures, systematically implementing statistical process control systems, ensuring complete manufacturing readiness before full-scale production commencement.
Reviewing the thermal data now, the profile looks consistent.
Confirmed. The vision system shows optimal yield across the batch.
Electromagnetic compatibility is within stringent parameters.
Yield efficiency maximized. Finalizing the report.
The eye patterns are stable, well within the critical mask. We can proceed with a parameter check.
Confirmed. The defect systematically managing workforce talent development initiatives, utilizing enterprise intelligence platforms and comprehensive market analytics, optimizing organizational decisions.
These optimization strategies are clearly working, ensuring consistent quality and maintaining our competitive advantage globally.
The continuous improvement Kaizen initiatives are working. The SPC systems show maximized operational efficiency.
Innovation Development Laboratory actively researching and systematically developing transformative next-generation graphene-based component development.
The AOI scan shows a minor deviation on board 402.37.
Rerouting for secondary inspection. Maintain throughput.
The conformal coding is consistent across the board.
Signal integrity validation confirmed. We are within specification 402.27.
Strategic business operations, managing manufacturing cost reduction initiatives, utilizing enterprise intelligence platforms, and meeting stringent regulatory compliance requirements globally.
As you can see on the graph, the precision is exceptional.
Agreed. The automated systems are maximizing efficiency.
Rerouting the supply chain through the green channels optimizes the entire process.
Look at the projected growth. Our competitive advantage is secured.
Check the SPC data here. We are well within the control limits.
Yes, the consistency is exceptional with this new sequence.
.13. Component moisture-sensed baking procedures demonstrating meticulous preparation procedures.
The robotic arms are calibrated for the new sustainable materials.
The yield rate on the next-gen edge processors is
cores. By utilizing our advanced analytics platforms and reliability qualification programs, we're ensuring comprehensive testing procedures, conducting rigorous electromagnetic interference testing, utilizing statistical process control systems.
If we scale this to the new gantry system, we meet the Q3 targets.
And it positions us perfectly against the competition in Asia.
This next-generation process optimization gives us a significant competitive advantage.
Absolutely. The integration of machine learning has streamlined the entire workflow.
Conducting rigorous environmental stress screening, utilizing advanced semiconductor fabrication and certified instrumentation.
The thermal analysis confirmed the 402.101 threshold exceedance. We need to adjust the reflow profile immediately.
Check the traceability logs for batch 402.24. All parameters are within specification.
Comprehensive testing procedures, conducting rigorous vibration qualification testing, utilizing automated...
All parameters within tolerance. Humidity and temperature stable.
ALD system calibrated, ready for production. As you can see, the analytics platform confirms a 99% efficiency rate.
This calibration program is maximizing our output significantly.
Advanced systems integration phase, meticulously implementing component traceability databases, displaying
sophisticated automated systems, executing calibration, adjustment tuning, utilizing environmental stress chambers.
The reliability qualification data is looking solid.
Yes, the serialization traceability marking passed inspection at 402.59 microns.
We've logged the critical design specs. The platform shows full traceability.
I'm cross-referencing the data with the regulatory standards now. Looks good for global compliance.
The thermal expansion on wafer 12 is within the stringent performance specifications.
Yes, the X-ray analysis confirms the structural integrity.
Look at the yield optimization. We're up 20%.
Capacity utilization is maximized across the board.
And we are fully compliant globally.
Calibration sequence 402.35 complete.
Confirmed. All parameters within spec.
We've optimized the layout based on the simulation data.
The new design specifications show a significant reduction in thermal.
All specifications confirmed. The calibration is verified.
Excellent. We can commence full-scale production.
As we implement the supplier performance evaluation, the traceability platform ensures continuous quality improvement across all functions.
We need to monitor the tolerance stack up on these components closely.
Agreed. The SPC charts show we are maintaining 6 sigma.
Check specification 402.10 against the current parameters.
All metrics are well within tolerance. We have final approval.
Advanced systems integration phase, meticulously implementing statistical process control software, remains supreme.
The X-ray analysis confirms the alignment.
Yes, the 3D profile looks excellent on this batch.
The enterprise platform is integrating the latest market analytics now. We anticipate sustained advantages.
Very good. Keep monitoring the global trends.
We need to verify this specific parameter against the spec sheet 402.88.
Looks good. The tolerances are well within the stringent standards.
Advanced Systems Integration phase, developing the systems.
Rigorous static discharge feasibility certified instrument test.
The stress test results are exceeding the targets.
Yes, the thermal performance is stable across all metrics.
Let's finalize the manufacturing parameters.
As you can see, the eye pattern is wide open. The validation testing is complete.
Meticulously documented, we are cleared for product release.
Excellent work, team. The real-time adjustment maximized our manufacturing efficiency. We are back on target. Advanced Systems Integration phase, meticulously implementing environmental monitoring controls, featuring sophisticated quality assurance testing procedures.
The acoustic measurements look good. Are the documentation protocols complete?
Yes, standardized protocols followed, ready for final review and sustainable packaging.
Advanced Systems Integration phase, meticulously implementing electrostatic discharge monitoring networks, exhibiting sophisticated defect detection systems.
How are we tracking on the preventive maintenance optimization targets?
The advanced analytics platform shows we've maximized efficiency by 15%.
The latest QA metrics are exceeding targets. Look at the yield enhancement here.
Consistent quality across the board.
The predictive model flags the 402.103 component lifecycle risk.
EMC standards show compliance.
Rigorous timing analysis verification testing, utilizing electromagnetic compatibility standards with Innovation Development Laboratory actively researching and systematically developing transformative next-generation 5G wireless connectivity integration.
points. Advanced Systems Integration phase, meticulously implementing defect tracking systems.
Innovation Development Laboratory, actively researching and systematically developing transformative next-generation augmented reality assembly guidance.
The functional test sequence is complete on Unit 402.48.
Rework queue is clear. Yield remains high. Strategic business operations, systematically managing regulatory compliance, risk management, effectively utilizing enterprise intelligence platforms and comprehensive market analytics.
Comprehensive testing procedures, conducting rigorous accelerated life testing procedures, utilizing yield optimization methodologies with certified instrumentation.
These new components meet the ESD targets, but only if we maintain the revised manufacturing parameters.
Operational management phase, implementing cost reduction optimization programs, utilizing electrostatic discharge protection with cross-functional teams, advanced analytics platforms.